Hello, we're going to talk about the things that I've made this month using other items. This is my take on my Sustainable Sunday. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Hello everybody, I hope that you are having a great day. I was supposed to put out a Sustainable Sunday video on last week, and I do apologize. Sustainable Sunday is the third Sunday in every month, but since I did not put it out, I wanted to put it out this Sunday so you guys could see that I have been using other items to create behind the scenes, even though I didn't put my video out. So one of the things that I created using remnants and scraps of items that I've collected from work and just collected over time was the bag that I made for my Black History video. It was about Miss Aurora James, who is the founder of Brother Bellis. So if you get a chance, check her out. But just wanted to show you really quick the bag I made with some remnants of leather, upholstery fabric, some handles that I already had, and I actually recycled zipper. The zipper on the inside is the zipper pocket on the inside. That is not a recycled zipper. However, it did come from our resource center, which is a place here locally to me where people donate, craft items they no longer want or sewing items. So I paid like maybe 50 cents for it, and it's just something I had in my stash because I know I'm going to use I know that I'm going to use a zipper. So that's one of the things that I made. I also wanted to show you just a picture of this skirt that I made. I'm doing a series with Osset from Osset Stitch Treasures, Laura from Sewing Up Style, and Grace from Sew Love Live with Grace, where we will be talking about denim every other month. The next episode will be in April, but for this month's episode, which came out on February 14th, we made bustiers. So I wanted to show you the bustier that I made came from scrap denim jeans that I had laying around in my upcycle bin that I have of all the stuff that I want to use to upcycle. So all of that was scraps. All the denim was scraps. The lining in the bustier was, it wasn't a scrap, but it was just a piece where I had like half yard pieces from when I was making masks, and I still have pieces left. So it's some of that left over. And the only thing that I bought like new for that bustier was the zipper. I did buy the zipper from Hobby Lobby, and I bought the beads that you see sewn on there. Now the skirt that you see is just a basic circle skirt that I made out of a tablecloth. I just thought it was whimsical, and I felt like the colors went really well with the bustier and the beads on the bustier, and I wanted it to give the illusion like I was being cinched in, even though I was not. But I wanted to give the illusion like I was being cinched in, and then the balloon out of the skirt. So that is actually a round tablecloth that I thrifted and I kept in my pile because I just thought it was really, really cute, and I knew that I would use it for something. And when I saw those beads, I remember I had that, and I put the two together. Now, what I actually made for this episode is Know Me pattern, and I have the display pattern. So let me get the pattern. So this is Know Me 2052. This is Beauty Du Jour's pattern, and I did the pants, and all my pants are made of nothing but recycled denim. It was denim. I always pick up old denim at the thrift store. I usually go to the Goodwill bins where everything is weighed by the pound. But if I find like just different or odds or really, really cheap denim, I always get it because I know I can cut it up, and if nothing else, I'll make a bag out of it. But I use scraps of denim and pieces of denim that I had to create these jeans. I think I did pretty good on them. When I first did my initial try on, they were too tight in the hip area, so I went and added what you see, the black on the side. I added that to give me more room. So now they're kind of baggy, which I kind of like though, because it's giving me that little skater vibe. But they're baggy and they're just comfortable. So I'm not gonna do anything else to these. I actually wore them out to the store because I was like, okay, well, these would be my crafting jeans or whatever. And I said, let me just wear them out. I wore them out and the lady stopped me. It's like, oh my goodness, I love your jeans. And I was so proud. So somebody out there like them besides me. But I like the feel of them. I'm not totally satisfied how low the crotch is hanging, but however, I think overall it just looks like a really baggy denim jean. And it's okay. So I'm going to use them as they are. I'm not going to do anything else to them. If I do anything else to them, I will be adding 2 inches of denim to the bottoms to bring them to make them longer, because I want to say right now they may come like to the ankle, and I kind of like for my jeans to go like to the top of my heel at least. So I may add 2 inches of denim to each leg. But right now I just got them kind of raw, and they're gonna fray when they get washed. And overall, I'm excited about them. I still have them on there. They are comfortable, so I can see myself wearing these a lot around the house. Like I said, I went out today at the store, and I could just see myself wearing these for comfort, if for nothing else. Would I make these again? These probably not, because one of the things about sewing is that you learn what fits your body type you best. So this jean really isn't I don't know, I just feel like it's not my body type style. But however, one of the things that I figured that I would continue to do is keep making some of the same thing. So not necessarily these jeans, but I am going to pull out another pant, at least a pants pattern, and keeping on until I just get the hang of it. But I'm not going to get rid of this because I still like them. I feel like for baggy jeans they really in right now anyway. But I could see using these to make like the short version right here, or you could probably even make gachos out of these, or knee-length shorts. So I'm not gonna get rid of the pattern. I would still give this a 5 out of 5, and I feel like her tutorial is really good. Of all the tutorials I've seen, sometimes I feel like they miss steps or they just assume that you know. But I feel like her tutorial is really, really good, and I still want to make the shirt as well. So that is all that I have for Sustainable Sunday. I hope that you enjoyed this episode and you enjoyed my makes. And I am always looking to see what I can recreate out of something. I feel like when it comes to sewing, that's really my first love, is recreating, just recreating out of something else. That's just me, the creative in me. But one thing that I am learning, and I heard, I don't know her name, but her channel is the Handmade Heralds. And one of the things that she said, and I have kept this in my spirit since I've heard it, is that in order to break the rules, you have to know the rules. So that's one of the reasons I grabbed these patterns, and I tried to make them by the book as much as possible. Once I get the hang of it and I know what is what, bet I will be better at breaking the rules, because then I would know, oh, okay, I might want to change this, but I know a dart needs to go there. So I'm learning. Great pattern. You try it. I recommend it. Even though I feel like when I cut out the size that I cut out, what I did was I think I cut out the right size for the back. I did not cut out the right size for the front. My front, I think I cut out the size down, you know, because it's so many lines. I think I went the wrong size down, and I should have went another size up. However, I have you know, I have a bottom that I sit on. So I am finding with pants that sometimes they don't want to go all the way up over that bottom. So I am trying to learn how to make them fit up and over that bottom. So I feel like I pulled this one off really good. Once I added what I felt like I needed to add to these pants, I did have that gaping in the back. And so what I did was something that I saw Mimi G do was I just opened the bottom of the back. I opened the bottom of the back of the waistband and I inserted elastic in the back. Maybe about this much is elastic. And then I just sewed it down so it won't come out. And so the back has that little elastic right there where it kind of come on up over the bootay. Or then, you know, you can zip it up or whatever. So anyway, I'm proud. I feel like what I'm proud the most of these pants is putting the zipper in. I feel like I will give myself a B-, but I did it and I'm so happy. So try this pattern, Know Me 2052, I believe. Let's look again and make sure. And I haven't tried the shirt yet, so be on the lookout for that. Yep, Know Me 2052. And if you have any more other, if you have any other pattern recommendations that you think I should try to use, just things that I have around the house already without going to buy, something you think would be like a great scrap buster, or you think that I should make that out of something else, drop it in the comments below. I'll give it a try. Nothing beats a failure but a try. As always, you are so special to me. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you over here as we learn together how to sew. As always, have a great day. Bye-bye.